Writing YouTube scripts consistently can take a huge amount of time, especially if you create tutorials, educational videos, reviews, or faceless content. But with Gamma AI, you can organize ideas, generate structured content, and speed up the scriptwriting process using AI. So in this guide, I'll show you how to use Gamma AI for YouTube scripts step by step. First, open the Gamma AI website in your browser and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account to get started. Once you enter the dashboard, click the Create button and start a new document or presentation project. Now type a prompt explaining the topic of your YouTube video, so you can include the niche, target audience, tone, and video style you want. To improve the results, ask Gamma AI to organize the script into sections like intro, main points, examples, and outro. And honestly, Gamma AI works best when you treat it as a creative assistant instead of relying on it completely. Combining AI-generated structure with your own personality usually creates much stronger YouTube scripts, and that's your full guide on how to use Gamma AI for YouTube scripts. Hopefully now you have a better understanding of how to speed up script writing and create more organized video content using AI tools.